Today is Math Monday, and I'm going to teach you how to use our Ocean Addition and Subtraction kit to teach kids in a simple way with awesome visuals and sensory play how to add and subtract numbers. This is great for even preschool, grade R, grade 1, grade 2 if they're still struggling. So it comes with our cards, a marker, some ocean counters, and this awesome box made out of beautiful wood and some sensory salt. This is our ocean. This box is really special because, as it explains in our kit, it teaches kids that for adding, we add part plus part equals whole. And for subtraction, we turn it around, and subtraction, the whole, the big number goes first, and then we take away part, and that equals part. So let's practice one of these. And it also includes showing them the symbols for each operation. So let's practice with an addition. 1 plus 2. Turn our box around for addition, and we're going to add 1, draw the 1 with your finger, plus 2. Now we can use the fun animals to put in our ocean. 1 plus 1, 2. Let's add them together. 1, 2, 3. Now we can write the number 3. Good job. And if you want, you can write the number 3 on your card with the marker. Okay, let's try a subtraction now. We have lots of options here. Let's try a subtraction. 8 minus 3. 8 take away 3. Draw our letter 8 minus 3. So let's count 8 animals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's take 3 away. 1, 2, 3. What's left? Let's put them over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write the number 5. That's our answer, and we can write it in our card, number 5. What's fun is we also have some number problems here, or number stories as we call them, and this will help kids get used to number stories for later in learning. 6 bees landed on the flowers, then 2 more landed. How many are there now? We would use addition for that. Okay, so that's our fun kit. Hope you enjoyed. You can buy it on our website.